I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working. So to start, you can open YouTube on other browsers. So I have it opened on Firefox right here. If that still doesn't work, you can right click on the date and time, click on adjust date and time. And in here, you can change date and time. You can set time automatically, just like that. So you can toggle this on. So once you've done this step, you can go back to Chrome and refresh YouTube and see if it works. You can also restart Chrome, but if that still doesn't work, you can go to the three dots right here at the top right. You can go to settings, and once you're in here, you can click on privacy and security. Now you can click on delete browsing data. So make sure you check these boxes. So cookies and other site data, download history, browsing history, and click on delete data. Go back to YouTube and reload the page. And that should fix your problem. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.